Fully hard man style. Quick and fast, me turn it in a 2 burner, my peeps. Yeah man, cause me can't wait for the meat fi done cook, then me put on the rice. That's why I say I have a fully active in the kitchen. Right now the meat must dry out. I want some water. Look at that. Yeah man, it well dry out. The meat well fry up. So ready to cook down and make some gravy. So me just tip some water. Yeah man, see that? Fully active. Just tip a little water and make the water here go and go cook down the meat them as soon as you see the water here disappear out of the pot and the meat start fry up again. That is the time when you're gonna put in your carrot and your Irish or whatever you're gonna use to make your gravy and cook down your gravy. Meat done cook and ready to eat. Rice pot over here, so see where am I going with? Him soon start bubble up, you know. See him over corner ready for start bubble up, you know. You know I'm put in some salt already. I put in little scallion in it. I put in butter. And I tip little seasoning. Yeah, cause me no cook lame food. My food have to taste nice. Look how the food look already. Food have to do a peeps. Food have to taste nice. See pot a boil up. So can wash my rice and put in you now. Yard man style man. Fully active though. Outdoor cooking. You have to skill for do them cooking you know. Cause if you no skill your food burn up. Look how much flames are under the pot. Just look at that. A lot of flames and heat under the pot. Right now I'm there here so I shot the video. And the amount of heat me I feel. So imagine the pot. If you is not a pro chef, you can't do them cooking on my peeps. Just believe no man. A whole heap of people try it and have to left it. Believe no man. Yeah man, see that? Whenever you find say your meat are sticking at the pot, just throw some water. Don't try to stir it up, cause you stir it up, you're gonna mash up the meat. So you see me tip some water a while ago and all of them release. And nobody tell me say I burn the meat a burn up. Nope. Why you see all of them black stuff?